Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. My hair has been looking a little dull lately, so I wanted to spruce it up a bit. I'm going to be using two different box dyes, the first being the L'Oreal dye in dark chocolate brown, and the other is a Swarovski in the color Ruby Noir. Ooh, sounds really fancy, huh? Okay, so the first one is the L'Oreal. I'm just going to be mixing the two. I really like the dark chocolate brown. It has some warm tones. It has some kind of golden tones to it, but it's not too in your face, and it just gives a richness. And I thought I'd mix it, go a little crazy, and mix it with the Swarovski. Oh my God, I'm really sorry. That's horrible. But right now I'm just going to be dyeing or parting my hair, sorry. Parting my hair in 4 sections, and I combed everything out to make sure that I got a nice even, you know, thing going on.
I always hesitate giving myself bangs. I have naturally curly, frizzy hair that likes to just go poof. And when you have bangs, they're a commitment. Yes, they are. And very quickly, I regretted having them. Maybe I'll just put on like faux bangs. Let me know down below in the comments if you want to see that and see how to style that. Because unless your hair is like pin straight or you just, I just don't have the patience. I don't have the commitment for bangs.
Like I said before, I'm just parting my hair into 4 sections. I'm adding the chocolate brown on my roots and finger combing through my hair the brown and the red dye mixture. All right, parted it into 4 pieces or 4 sections. You can see that there is some red popping through, and I'm really excited at this point. Really excited. I had no idea what was going to turn up. I was hoping it was going to be like this.
Alright guys, so this is the morning after. My battery ran out, so I had to charge it, and this is the final result. Can you see that? Let me see if I can show you guys in the light. Alright, I am going, this is my hair in its natural habitat. I am going to straighten my hair and you'll see the final result.
Alright guys, this is the end to this week's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed. It didn't turn out exactly like I had thought it would. Honestly, I thought it'd be a little bit more red than brown, but hey, it still came out nice and even, so no complaints here. I post videos about beauty every single Friday. Like the video if you found it entertaining. Hit that subscribe button for more videos every Friday. And once I figure out how to put that dang notification bell on, hit that bell so you can be notified every week when I post a video. Until next week, bye!